Let's make a Xeno Drip Daiquiri. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Xeno Drip Daiquiri. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. Kraken Rum is doing a cross-promotion with Alien Earth. Alien Earth is a science fiction horror television series in the Alien franchise universe. I'm a fan of Kraken Rum. I'm a fan of the Alien franchise. So when I saw this cross-promotion included custom cocktails, I figured, yeah, I gotta make those cocktails. And the Xeno Drip Daiquiri is one of those cocktails. A note on the rum. If you're going to be making the Xeno Drip Daiquiri, you really should be using Kraken's Black Spice Rum. If you want to make this drink with a different rum, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the official Xeno Drip Daiquiri. To make this drink, we're going to start by adding 1/4 teaspoon of black cocoa powder into our shaker. 1/4 teaspoon is 1 1/4 milliliters, though I probably should be using grams or something instead. Next, 1 dash of edible purple glitter. 1 dash is 1 dash. 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce of black sesame syrup. And they don't have their syrup recipe on the website, so I had to come up with one on my own. That video is here on the channel. Link will be down below and at the end of this video if you'd like. So, 3/4 of an ounce of black sesame syrup. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. And finally, 2 ounces of your Kraken Black Spiced Rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add some ice. And give it a shake. The official glass for the Xeno Drip Daiquiri is a standard crew issued glassware. In the picture, it looks like a cross between a pearl diver and a coupe. I don't have either of those. Well, I have a coupe. I have a Ancestral Anderson issued crew coupe. That's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to double strain the drink into there. And a garnish. The garnish is a dehydrated lime wheel. I'm going to float that on top. In the middle. And there you have it. A Xeno Drip Daiquiri. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Have you ever used edible glitter in a drink? If so, was the cocktail in it and what color was the glitter? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. Bonus points if you gave me the recipe. Triple points if it includes rum. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, you can contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at that social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time,